Hello, today we are going to learn how to access our online resources from home. If you want to get some extra practice in during the weekends or maybe after school, I'm going to show you how you can do that. First off, you want to open up your browser. I found that Google Chrome works the best. So open that up, you'll come up here to the toolbar and you will type in our homepage, which is allentownsd.org. That will take you to this page. If you notice up top here, there is a language option. You can click on that and pick whichever language suits you the best. From that point, you're going to come over here to parents and students. And once you see the drop down menu, you're going to click on the first option, which is digital learning. This will take you to our digital learning page. You'll want to scroll down until you see the capital C here. This is our login with Clever. All right, you're going to want to go ahead and click on that. All right, so now you are on the Clever homepage. All right, this is where all the apps that we use are stored. You can come down here, scroll down, and check them out. I found the easiest way to get to them is to come up here and click on the district page option. And then the two we are going to be talking about today are Lexia and Dreambox. Lexia is right here, our Lexia Core 5 option. That is our practice with all our language arts. So once you click on that, that will take you to our Lexia Core 5 reading resource. As you can see right here. Right, if you go ahead and back out of that, you can also see over here is our Dreambox app. That is our online resource that we use to get practice with our mathematics. So if you go ahead and click on that, that will take you to our Dreambox homepage. All right, and then if you locate your name, you can see how many lessons you completed this week, how much time was spent on it during the week, and then at the end of each week, it will reset. So as you can see here, everyone has a fresh start this week. All right, if you come back to our Clever page, you also notice that there's other apps on here that you can use to explore. I hope this was helpful, and this is the way to get access to all our apps if you'd like extra practice outside of school. Thank you.